everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, and if you don't know me, my name is Aishwarya, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute and rustic DIY key holder. This DIY is really near and dear to my heart. I really like the way it turned out, and also this video is a tad bit lengthy, so please do watch the whole video. And yeah, with that being said, let's just begin with the video. For this project, you would need any kind of wooden sign or a wooden box. You can use any material you desire and paint it using black, brown and white, giving it a nice wooden look, and let it dry completely. So that is what I'm doing here. Use a flat brush to do this project. It'll make your life easy. Do the same thing on the sides as well. So by the time it dries, let's create some tiny houses using the tumbling tower blocks and popsicle sticks, which I have bought from Dollar Tree. Now take 4 tumbling tower blocks and glue it together as shown, and make a similar pattern for other 2 houses as well, with a slight difference of height and width of the house. It does not have to be perfect, we will anyways paint it, and the whole look is about rustic. So yeah. Once that is done, take the popsicle sticks and create the roof for all the 3 tiny houses. You can use any material to create these tiny houses. I just chose this one because I already had these. So this is how you do it. So I don't know how to explain this. You can even use cardboard here, from any carton boxes, or even the cereal boxes would work really good in this case. I did not have any of those, so I had to use these material. Sorry for all the background noises you're hearing. So I'm using the corners of the popsicle sticks as a roof of the house. So I also do the same thing for other 3 houses as well. This took a lot of time, so if you have, instead of using all these things, you can just use the cereal box or a cardboard carton to do this work. It will be more easier that way. It does not have to be perfect, so that's the beauty of these houses. So this is how it should look, and repeat the same thing for all the other two houses as well. Now it's time to paint the roof. So I'm using some brown and white to create a lighter wood shade. Repeat this for all the other houses as well. So that's the same process for all the houses. So I was just showing one of them here. Once they are dry, this is how it should look. So we still have some detailings to do, but let's finish all the main painting and then let's add some detailing. So once the paints are dry, we are adding some paint to the walls of the house. So I'm just using one as a demo here. So I'm using this uh, kind of yellow coral and this teal color, which are not pastel actually, but which falls in between. So these color do pop out in the morning and settle down at night as well, which is really good. So that's the reason I used these colors. So once they are done, this is how it should look. Now it's some time to add the details for the roofs. So I'm giving a dry brush look on the roof to give it a rustic look. And repeat the process for all the other two houses as well. You can use any kind of detailing here. I have used this type of detailing which I really like. You can even change the color of the houses or the roof, even everything is customizable here, so yeah. So now I've taken these popsicle ends to create the door. So we need three doors, so I'm just painting it black again and setting it aside to dry. So now let's attach um, the door to the houses. So I have also added the detailings as like the windows and stuff like that for all the other ones. This is how it should look um, with just the bare bones. Now we are just adding some highlights and patterns on the doors and windows of these houses. I'm using this metallic marker or a paint pen. You can use any kind of material here as well. You can even use the white paint, and it need not be perfect. So this is the end look of these three houses. Add a sealant to it and let it dry so that it will last longer. So I have taken these hooks and will be painting that black as well. So once that is done, now it's time to create a wooden branch or a wooden log. So I do not have in hand, so I'm making it from scratch using this um, aluminium foil. You can create however you want. This is the method I have used. If you are readily finding any wooden branch outside your house, that works well as well. Just make sure that it's dry and there is no bugs in them. So I have created kind of sort of this shape, and use a masking tape to cover everything so that you can paint over it. So this is how it should look. And I have skipped the painting part because you can do however you want, but I have used a brown and white paint and a little bit of black for distressing and giving that wooden look to it. So now it's time to assemble the key holder. So this is the wooden box which I'm using, or the wooden sign. So I have painted well and it's well dry. So these are the houses which I have created and they are dry as well. And this is the wooden branch or the wooden log I have created, I have painted. It's all set as well. And these are the 4 hooks which goes for the key holder. These are from a Dollar Tree actually, and also the tweezer to attach these reindeer mosses which I got from Dollar Tree, and also the other one in the ziploc is from Michael's, and we are attaching using glue gun. So you can place it anywhere, so I wanted it to be like this. I'm just using some glue gun to attach it. So once that is done, place the houses as well, and then just use the glue gun and attach it again. You can use a bit stronger glue as well, but this works fine because they are very lightweight and they don't budge once you attach them. So once they are done, now it's the time for the reindeer moss. These are to fill up the gaps between those branches and the houses, and also just to create that very natural look. So I'm even attaching some patches on the branch as well, and also on the top of the roofs of the houses as well. So I had this dark green and the light green which gave a very nice look. This really looks really cute, and it just turned out how I wanted, and this is, I guess, one of my best DIYs of this year. So this is how it looks once the moss is attached. Now it's time to attach the hooks. I have removed those the already glued part within them and just used a glue gun to attach those, because I felt those are more secure than those plastic tabs. And this is the final look. Yeah. that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you ever recreate this DIY, please tag me on the Instagram at simplydiy, which I'll be linking down here and also in the description box for you guys to go ahead and follow me there. And also let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So yeah, that's it. You guys have a great day. Bye.